How to upload photos and videos to locations in Google Maps. If any day you are a Google Map user and you would like to upload photos and videos to your location in Google Map, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search Google Maps out there. After you search Google Maps out there, now you can see an interface like this. You have to tap on Google Maps like this, and after you tap on that, now Google Maps will be launched on your mobile device. After Google Map is launched on your mobile device, now you will see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, you have to tap on the option of contribute on the downside. After you tap on the option of contribute on the downside, now you can see an interface like this. Now since we are going to upload a picture, we have to tap on the option of add photo. After tapping on add photo, now here an interface like this will be shown. Now here you have two of the option. Either you can download from or the picture, or you can just select by just going to the camera, or you can select it from your folder. Now since you would like to keep any of the picture, what you have to do is you have to find the picture. For that you can go to the folder like icon, and after tapping on the folder like icon, now what you can do is you can select the picture from your frame gallery on your mobile device. Now after you select the picture like this, you have to go to the option of done here, and after you go to the option of done here, now you can see that it will be seen here. Now you have to go to the option of post. After tapping on the option of post, now you have to select the very place here. For example, if you see any of the place that is mentioned here, it's okay, but if the place is somewhere else, you have to go to the option of somewhere else, and you have to search the very place in the location here. Now after you find the very place on the place here, you have to tap on that, and after you tap on that, you have to go to the option of post, and after you tap on the option of post, now this way the post is posted. You can also keep the name of the dish here, or you can just skip it like this, and this way now your very option is done. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.